What's up, neck breakers? What's up, YouTube? Mr. Steel on top, back again with another legendary video. Today is the day we finna upgrade the BMW. First mod today. I'm heading over here to this rim shop, see what they got. Y'all stay locked in. We finna see what we finna upgrade. Get up off of these factories. Finna get some new rims today. Today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get all the latest videos. I appreciate the love. If you hit the like button on this video, I appreciate that. Play to the end.
See, Durant didn't sit down. So he got fucked up, but little people started sitting down. And Chris Paul should be on board all the time.
Back at the tire shop again. I had a little leak coming out the stem, so we're trying to get that taken care of. And they gonna get me right though. We're trying to get everything right before I pull out this time. Y'all get in the comment section, let me know what y'all think about the new rims I just put on the BMW. First modification to the BMW, 20-inch rims, offset in the back, 20 by 10 in the back, 20 by 9.5 in the front.